Imagine opening an app and seeing products, ads, or content that feel perfectly tailored to you, almost like the system knows what you want before you do. That's not coincidence. That's artificial intelligence in marketing. Instead of relying on guesswork, companies now use AI to analyze massive amounts of data and make smarter, faster, and more accurate marketing decisions. AI in marketing works by collecting and analyzing data such as browsing behavior, purchase history, search patterns, and engagement across platforms. This allows businesses to understand customers at a much deeper level. Instead of treating all customers the same, companies can create highly targeted strategies based on individual preferences. This approach is often called data-driven marketing, where decisions are guided by real user behavior rather than assumptions. One of the most powerful applications of AI is personalization. Platforms like Amazon and Netflix use AI to recommend products and content based on what users have previously viewed or purchased. This increases engagement because customers are more likely to interact with content that matches their interests. Personalization is no longer a luxury, it has become an expectation. AI is also transforming advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Meta Ads use machine learning algorithms to automatically optimize campaigns. These systems decide which ads to show to whom and at what time based on performance data. This improves efficiency and reduces wasted spending, as ads are shown to people who are more likely to take action. Another important use of AI is in predictive marketing. By analyzing past data, AI can predict future behavior, such as which customers are likely to make a purchase, which ones might stop using a service, or what products will be in demand. This allows businesses to act proactively, targeting customers at the right time with the right message. AI is also changing how businesses interact with customers through chatbots and virtual assistants. Many companies now use AI-powered chat systems to answer customer queries instantly, provide recommendations, and guide users through the buying process. This improves customer experience while reducing the need for human support in routine tasks. The biggest advantage of AI in marketing is speed and scalability. What once required large teams and weeks of analysis can now be done in seconds. However, it also raises important challenges around data privacy and ethical use of information, which businesses must carefully manage. The future of marketing will be heavily driven by AI. Companies that learn how to use data effectively and integrate AI into their strategies will have a major competitive advantage. This is the Learning Studio. And in the next episode, we will explore how marketing is becoming even more powerful through hyper-personalization at scale.